morning everyone. My name is Armandeep Singh. So today I am going to present the presentation on measurement and cost estimation for small buildings. So in this presentation we will cover the main topics. The first one is setting up an Excel spreadsheet for construction measurement and costing, measurement and qualification of construction elements, abstracting quantities, calculation of cost, preparation of schedule of quantity SOQ. At the end there is conclusion. So first topic is introduction. So this presentation will guide you through the essential steps and techniques used in setting up an Excel spreadsheet for construction measurement, quantifying various construction elements, abstracting quantities, calculating cost, and preparing the schedule of quantity SOQ. By the end of this presentation, you will have a clear understanding of how to effectively manage and estimate cost for small buildings projects using practical example and real data. So this topic is very important. So this will let you know the description of every sheet. So first sheet is SOQ, schedule of quantity. This section includes a detailed list of quantities required for different parts of project. The another one is TDS, tender data sheet. This sheet contains all the project details and specific measurements necessary for tendering. Third one is abstract, a summarized table that captures the total quantity and measurements. Next one is bar schedule. In this we will let detail information related to the reinforcement bars used in the project. The last one is rate build-up. This part of spreadsheet break down the cost elements, include labor, material and overheading to arrive at the total cost. So first one is foundation. So here is the structure of the ground clearance. So ground clearance is measured 1 meter away from the center line of the perimeter wall. So these are the measurement of the ground clearance in meter cube. The second one is excavation of footing. Earthworks involve specific measurement for the excavation of foundations. These measurements are critical for ensuring the foundation is properly prepared. Next. Third one is concrete measurement. So this one is also very important. Concrete works involve precise measurement to ensure the structural integrity. Accurate concrete measurements are essential for maintaining the quality and safety of structure. So we measure the concrete in meter cube. So these are the structure of the ground clearance, how to measure the concrete. The fourth one is framework measurement. Framework is used to shape the concrete and hold it in place until it sets. The specific detail for this one is framework dimensions and calculations are based on the foundation layouts. Proper framework is crucial for achieving the desired shape and support for the concrete structure. So these are the measurements for the force work measurements. So the last one is abstract. Abstract quantities involve summarize the measurements and quantities for different sections to facilitate cost estimation and planning. So the descriptions. So these are codes and these are descriptions. The first one is earthwork. The second one is ground clearance, 1 meter length from the center line. So unit for this one is meter cube. The third one is excavation. So unit for this one is meter cube. The fourth one is disposal. same unit as the first one, meter cube. The last one is also same bag filling, meter cube. So material, how to measure the material cost based on the unit rates for required material. So next, second one is labor cost. 4 laborers working 10 hours each at 25 pay rate per hour. The third one is plant cost. Excavator for 1 day at 35 pay rate per hour. Overhead and profit calculated at 10% for the total cost. The next one is total cost calculation. Material plus labor plus plant plus overhead and profit. The last one is waste. So waste is measured with 5% of material. So these are some codes like earthwork. So earthwork is how to like measure the everything, like earthwork pay rate for 1 hour is 25, and for plant it's 35, and for overhead and profit is 10%. So ground clearance is 1 meter length from the center line is meter cube, so meter square, and the quantity is 100. So according to New Zealand dollars, it's $100 for 408 cents. So the labor cost is 1000, and plant is 280. Dry cost is 1280, and overhead and profit is 128. Throughout this presentation, we have explored the fundamental aspects of measurements and cost estimate for buildings. Started with the setup of Excel spreadsheet, we detail the process of measurement and qualifying construction elements, abstracting quantities, calculation cost, and preparing the schedule of quantities. We emphasize the importance of accurate measurements and through cost analysis to ensure the successful completion of construction project with proper measurement techniques and detailed cost estimated help in avoiding budget overruns and ensuring project timelines are met. Thank you.
Thank you, Armandeep. Give a round of applause for the viewers. I have a few questions to you. What are the main formats we are using in construction field as a conduit survey? Main formats. Maybe main formats we are using in the construction field as a conduit survey. Main formats like SOQ.
SOQ.
What else?
Overhead and property.
Formats. Excel formats we are using. Excel sheets we are using. Which kind of Excel sheets we are using?
Spreadsheet.
Yes, yeah, spreadsheet, yeah.
Spreadsheet.
There are some formats. Like SOQ, abstract sheet, takeoff. Like that. The next question, what are the abstract sheet mean to you?
Sir, abstract sheet.
Yeah. Why you use the abstract sheet?
So to calculate the cost of the
It's a summary of the takeoff. Finally, what is bar schedule? Why are you using the bar schedules? Pre-bar schedules. What is the purpose of it?
So bar schedule.
Yeah, bar schedule.
So with the bar schedule, we can easily check the ground clearance.
Pre-bar, reinforcement. Why are you using the reinforcement schedules for the construction? Okay, well now. Okay, give the round of applause. Yeah.
What is earthwork?
What is earthwork?
Sir, earthwork. Sir, it's sir with
What does that mean?
with earthwork we can measure, sir.
What is earthwork?
Sir, ground clearance.
What is overhead? So you put in the overhead.
overhead and profit, sir, means sir, more than enough.
What is the full form of SOQ?
Schedule of quantity. Schedule of quantity.
Schedule of
Quantity.
quantity. Yeah, that's it.
Mr. Engineer, each and every slide should be a start from heading. Should be a